If you sell many products with variations on multiple marketplaces, managing prices can quickly become a lot of work. With 100 products, several variations, and different sales channels, you can easily end up with hundreds or even thousands of price changes. With Price Sync in Eselt, you manage the price in one central place, for example, in WooCommerce. Eselt then automatically transfers the prices to your marketplaces and applies your selected price rules. After logging in, you are in the My Products dashboard. Above the product list, you will find the Synchronization panel. Click off in the Price Sync row under the eBay column. In the module, activate Price Sync for the eBay channel. Automatic price synchronization runs every 5 minutes. The actual price rule is set directly on the product. Open a product and go to the Prices tab. Here you can choose for each marketplace whether the price should be managed manually or calculated automatically by a rule. Select Rule. If you want Eselt to calculate the price based on the WooCommerce price, for example, eBay price 10% higher than WooCommerce, you can also use negative values if the marketplace price should be lower. If you want to transfer the change immediately, click Sync this product now. You can also apply price rules to multiple products at once. To do this, select the products in the My Products dashboard and click Bulk Edit. Choose the sales channel, for example eBay, and then select Edit Price Rules. Then define the rule and save it. The rule will then be applied to all selected products on the chosen channel. In short, activate Price Sync, define the price rule on the product, or use Bulk Edit for multiple products.